Alright guys, today we're going to do some work on the BMW X3 that I got. It is air filter day. We're going to go ahead and do the engine air filter first, and then I'm going to do a separate video for the cabin air filter, which is a little bit different on this car. And then I'm going to have a short series with a few other maintenance items as we take care of everything that was deferred on this car. So let's go ahead and pop the hood and jump in. Okay, you're gonna have 4 pops on here, 2 up top, and then 2 on the other side. You could use your finger, but I think it's a little bit easier with some sort of pry tool. This will just pop right up, and you don't need to disconnect anything for this air filter, which is kind of nice. It will just slide out just like that. I like to take a vacuum and kind of clean out if there's anything underneath here. This one has a bunch of stuff in it. You can't really tell in the video, but it's pretty dirty, so it's time to replace this for sure. That's what a new one looks like. That's it. It's your air filter.